What's going on, everybody? So figured I would give a little update, I guess you could say, and kind of walk through what's going on. As you can see, the battery box is out of the car. It's actually in that box over there. I'm going to be putting it in the trunk, which that's going to be fun, to say the least. This not even 6-month-old Mishimoto radiator is coming out for an 0506 conversion, so that can be gone. And then the coolant box will be down there because I'm going to go with an OEM one. The ECU is out. It's sitting in the passenger seat right now because it's going to go down there in the kick panel, which I have to take this off so that I can get down in there, because there's a little plug, so I can feed all of it through there and relocate that, and then this will be completely cleared out. And then with the battery gone, this will be all cleared out for later stuff, one of which will be a catch can for sure. The headlights are out of it, which those are going to be gone because I'm not really a fan of halo headlights. So that'll be going away. That piece is actually broke on this side of it, which goes right up there. So I got to order a replacement of that. The hood is still sitting up there because I don't want to test fit anything until I get everything. Actually, I've already test fitted it. It fits perfect. And yeah, I also need to replace all these coolant hose. Well, this coolant hose and this coolant hose will be different, and so will the one over there, because on the 0506 it doesn't have that metal crossover. It's just one hose all the way through. So I need to figure out what else I want to do. I know there's still going to be a lot more coming. These grills are going to get replaced at some point. OEM headlights. I want to get these holes in the front bumper right here filled in. I have a rear diffuser coming from Mavman, so that means I'm going to have to get an 0506 bumper, get it painted. And yeah, a couple other things I want to do. We'll see if I can afford them and actually get them before spring, but we'll see if that happens or not. But yeah, this is just a quick little update video. Wheels look really nice. Oh, I forgot. I should have said, yeah, I have new wheels on here. VMR V703s on Federal 595 RSRRs. They rub a little bit, so the suspension's gonna have to come up a little bit. But yeah, other than that, not a whole lot going on. I'm gonna continue to pull stuff out of here and get it ready for new stuff. Till next time, peace.